The ocean would kill you faster than the fall from space. Earth looks calm, peaceful, blue. That is a lie told by distance. Today we're jumping from space and landing in the ocean. And physics is about to make a point. This isn't sci-fi. This isn't a stunt. This is a physics problem with a very fragile solution. We're going to walk through every scientific stage your body experiences. From the moment you step off to the moment the ocean stops being water. You step off at about 120,000 feet. No wind, no sound, no screaming because there's almost no air. At first, you don't feel like you're falling, you feel like you're floating while Earth quietly accelerates toward you. Gravity clocks in at 9.8 meters per second squared. No drama, no rush, just inevitability up here. Pressure is so low your body starts malfunctioning. Saliva tries to boil, not from heat, from lack of pressure. If you didn't exhale before jumping, your lungs could rupture. Physics strongly recommends exhaling. You stay conscious about 10 to 15 seconds. Plenty of time to realize this was a terrible plan. Now you hit thicker air, and suddenly falling becomes violent. You're colliding with trillions of air molecules at hundreds of miles per hour. Air resistance doesn't slow you gently. It slams into you. Your speed passes 500 miles per hour. The air in front of you compresses and heats up. You are now a human-shaped meteor. Now you hit thicker air, and suddenly falling becomes violent. Terminal velocity just means the air finally fights back hard enough to stop acceleration. It does not mean safe. It does not mean survivable. You reached extreme speeds long before the air slowed you down. Your body starts decelerating violently, blood shifts, organs lag behind bones. Your spine experiences forces it was never designed to negotiate. If you're spinning, you stabilize belly down. If not, you tumble like laundry in a cosmic dryer. Physics remains unimpressed. The fall doesn't matter anymore. The water does. At this speed, the ocean stops being a liquid. Here's the lie everyone believes. Water is soft. Water is only soft when it has time to move. At over 100 miles per hour, water cannot get out of the way fast enough. So it behaves like a solid. Not because it wants to, because physics says so. When you hit the ocean, you decelerate from extreme speed to zero in a fraction of a second. That creates forces measured in tens of Gs. Bones fail. Organs keep moving. The water delivers a shockwave, not a splash. There is no dive. There is an impact. Let's pretend physics took a smoke break. Perfect feet first entry. No rotation, no mistakes. Even elite divers risk injury at 60 miles per hour. You're hitting more than double that. Water pressure alone would cause catastrophic internal damage. This is where the experiment ends. This was never about falling. It's about energy. Height becomes speed. Speed becomes kinetic energy. Energy has to go somewhere. When you hit the ocean, it goes into shockwaves, deformation, heat, and sound. Physics doesn't hate you, it just refuses exceptions. So what happens if you jump from space into the ocean? You learn 3 things. The atmosphere is your friend, water is a liar, and gravity always collects its debt. Thanks for watching Real Science Explained.